Hello and welcome to the lab here at Nanoscience Instruments. In this video, I would like to introduce you to the OneAttention software, used for the operation and data analysis of both the Theta and Sigma tensiometers. The software boasts 16 measurement modes and integrated data analysis tools. The OneAttention software and updates are included with the tensiometers at no additional cost. No licensing fees, subscriptions, or locked features for the life of the instrument. The OneAttention user interface is intuitive and easy to use, with many options to tailor each experiment to the user's needs. After selecting a mode from the start screen, the software guides the user through a simple imaging calibration to set the camera's parameters. The Controls tab contains only the relevant controls for each measurement mode, hiding unnecessary options to keep the interface organized and free of clutter. Users can adjust various parameters, such as the position of the XYZ stage, the dispenser holder, and dispensing liquid. For repeatable data collection, the custom recipe function is available in all measurement modes and cuts down on human error and saves time. Users can name an experiment and adjust parameters like image recording settings, droplet size, and number of repetitions, then save these options for efficient data collection. While the experiment runs, the live results are shown within the software, allowing for real-time monitoring of data. Once the data have been collected, users can leverage the software's built-in data analysis tools to perform graphical and statistical modeling. All accessories, like the Theta wafer stage and the tilting cradle, are automatically detected by the software for seamless installation and streamlined workflow. For busy labs or shared spaces with multiple teams and projects, OneAttention software also has a user management system that enables lab managers to set up user profiles with different technical and security roles. This ensures consistent and secure use of the instrument. OneAttention is a license-free, flexible tool that enables all attention users to get the most out of their instruments. For more in-depth how-to videos on each measurement mode, visit the software page on our website at nanoscience.com/OneAttention.